For this video, we're going to be working with our order of operations formula sheet. So when we talk about order of operations, we are understanding order of operations and writing simple formulas. So let us click on our order of operations hyperlink. So for this, we're going to be understanding how basic maths works. Right? For us to understand how basic maths work is going to help us understand how formulas and functions run throughout this course. So the first thing we're going to do is have a look at understanding the order of operations. When it comes to simple maths, we have our order of operations. So the way it goes is we start with our parentheses or our brackets, then we move on to exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So for this video, the first question we're going to look at is this question here. Alright, so what I'm going to ask you to do is to please pause the video and try and work out this answer as it is. You can make use of your calculator. Okay, so try and work out that first equation here, or this first expression, and then write down your answer. So I'm going to give you a few minutes, pause the video. Once you've done that, let's come back and let us have a look at the answer. One of the advantages of the calculators in Windows is that we have the scientific option. So we can go and select our scientific calculator. So let us have a look here. Alright, so I'm just going to do this in the comment section. So our first order of operations is our brackets. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6. Okay, our exponent is always represented by this triangle. Okay, as you see in the notes section over here, in Excel, we express exponents by using this. So this is to the power of 2, power of 3. Okay, so it's power of 3 and plus 2 divided by 5. So we're going to go equals. So 6, so we're going to go 6 to the power of 3 gives us an answer of 216. 216 plus 2 divided by 5. 2 divided by 5 equals 0,4. 0,4, which gives us an answer of 216.4. So that was the answer, 216,4. Alright, try the rest on here. So I filled in these answers here for you. So one of the nice things is we look at this one here. So the way it goes is we're going to be going 5 plus 1 divided by 10 is the answer of 0,1 plus 3 times 2 is 6, right, which is equal to 11,1. So 5 plus 0,1 is 5,1 plus 6 is 11,1. The last option, okay, we're going to be looking at is 4 plus 6 plus 8 is equal to 18. Divided by 5 plus 10 is 25, which is equal to 0,72. So that is how you use your exponents, or so your order of operations, to work out your answers in a clear and logical way. So writing a simple formula. So when it comes to writing formulas in Excel, the very first thing we have to do is we need to make sure our formulas start with an equal sign. So we can actually use Excel as a basic calculator. So we want to know the answer for 7 plus 9. We go equals 7 plus 9 is equal to 16. So now that we understand how to write a simple formula, Excel actually takes order of operations into consideration when you type out your formula. So to work this one out, we are going to be going equals 5 plus 8 times, our times is represented by the star, okay, 6 divided by 8. If I hit my enter key, it gives us an answer of 11. Let's look at that using a calculator. So in my scientific notation here, we're going to go 5 plus 8 times 6 divided by 8. Gives us an answer of 11. Alright, so that is true. So for this top one here, it becomes quite interesting. So what we do is we're going to go, so I'm just going to type it over here so you can see. 4 plus 8 plus 12, the answer there is 24. Okay, the bottom half is 7 plus 15, comes to an answer of 22. Right? So 24 divided by 22 gives us an answer of 1,09. Let's have a look here quickly. So we go 24 divided by 22, 1,0,9 recurring. So if we come here to Excel, so for this option, we're going to have to now bring in brackets or parentheses to work this out. So the first part we're going to go is open bracket, open parentheses, 4 plus 8 plus 12, close, divided by, open again, 7 plus 15, close bracket, and enter, which will give us our answer. If, now that I'm just going to clear those quickly, if I had to type it out as it is, and go 4 plus 8 plus 12 divided by 7 plus 15, gives us an answer of that. The reason behind that, it will view 7 divided by 12 and then start adding. So that is something you need to make sure of, is you need to make sure that if you get an equation like that, that you work on the top half first in parentheses and then the bottom half in parentheses and then it is divided by. So that is a quick basic understanding of order of operations. If there was something you don't understand, just re-watch the video again and it will help you understand.